Okay, we continue with the yesterday. So case E and case F. So case E is the intermediate rate with reaction, E and F. Here the rate is intermediate and reaction will be in film and reaction in main. You can see the body of liquid. That's it. So that is E and this is F. So mechanism you can base on the two film theory to draw it. So that this is and for F it is so CB is almost so in this case all resistances are significant and may be contributing sufficiently to find out the rate expression overall rate. So in that case we can use the means none of the term can be neglected subjected to then its value when we go to calculate. So directly you cannot neglect here any of the resistances. All three resistances you have to consider and you have to so this is the expression that you have to use it for the intermediate rate with respect to mass transfer. Then last is slow reaction with respect to mass transfer and H is the slow reaction but infinitely slow reaction. So there are other cases like that is case G, that is slow reaction, in main body, but having film resistance. And it is very slow reaction then. That means without any resistance. So in these two cases, if you draw the again for this particular one, this is PA, this is PA. Then here will be the liquid film, some value of Ca, here, Ca, Ca, Cb will be constant. So for this particular one, there is no further enhancement in the mass transfer because of the reaction in this particular film. So it will be just like a straight one along with the all three resistances. That means K E value will be 1 in this case. So if you recall that figure, so when we will have the E value is a 1, E value is equal to 1 when Hatta number is less than 1. Okay. So in that case, it will be the no significant enhancement and E will be 1. And in for this particular one, no resistances, no gas film, no liquid film resistances. So this will be like state PA. This will be state CB. This will be state CA. So in this case, directly it is controlled by the reaction, and this will be directly write as a K FL CA CB. So these are the various expressions that now the significance of this Hatta number, or we can say the role of the Hatta number. So mh square we define as maximum, we have already seen, that is possible maximum possible conversion in the film. divided by maximum diffusional transport, which is through the film. So this is, so maximum will be K CAI CB X0, is it? So no further decrease in the film. So maximum will be CAI, and then maximum diffusion will be DAL X0 mass transfer, and without any, say that. So this will be the your K CB DAL. Now for this particular one, if you refer that particular figure where the K is given in terms of the EI and MH value. So for the case of MH is suppose far less greater than 1. So generally in this case, all the reactions which are in the film. So as the reaction occurs in the film, the controlling factor will be the surface area. Remember here. So surface area will control the rate. Then if MH is less than 1, so no reaction in the film. In such cases, bulk volume is the controlling. Further, if you split it based on that particular figure, so if it is MH is that one, reaction in film with cases A, B, C, and D. Okay. Further, we have to identify that one. Then, if it is in between 0 to 2, then we have the intermediate. That is E, F, G cases. And if MH is very less, then say that 0.02, it will be the slow reaction, and that is H. So when MH is large, say that this one, so we need the large interfacial surface area. Okay. So hence here more agitation is required in this particular one. In this case, agitation will not work because here volume is more important as compared to the surface area. I think there is only one solved example in this one that you can do it. Then we'll go for the one simple example. Now absorption we have to perform. Absorption of H2S, which is having 0.1% volume by volume. Remember here, volume by volume in absorption of H2S. Okay. So H2S will be in the gas and which is at 2 megapascal. Gas is at 2 megapascal and 20 degrees centigrade is the absorption. So here instead of plain water, it is used the solution as a MEA, that is methanol amine. Is it? Is the methanol amine. It has said that the percent with the 250 moles per meter cube. Okay, so MEA is 250 mole per meter cube. Simple reaction, that is H2S plus RNH2 gives HS plus RNH, R representing the alkyl group. So stoichiometry constant, that is B, is so for simplification you can take A here, B here, and here is the your product. Generally that will know R and S. So it is a kind of a acid-base interaction reaction and it is irreversible and instantaneous. So instantaneous in the sense, so K will be, okay. Now in this case, other data is also provided like the mass transfer coefficient KALA for liquid film is 0.03. Take care for the all units, remember. And as I told you earlier also, without unit, no marks for any answer. Remember, mole per second meter cube Pascal. The Hatta number 10 Pascal meter cube per mole. And then dBl is given as 0.64 DAL. So these other data is available, mass transfer data, the diffusivity and data number is given. So now we have to find out which rate equation is applicable to our case. Okay. So we have to find out first rate equation. This we have to find out which is the applicable. Now here partial pressure. Remember, total pressure while doing the calculation, total pressure is given as 2 megapascal. So PA will be what? 0.001 into 2. Remember, it is 0.1% by volume. So it will be 0.002 megapascal, or you can write 2000 pascal. Further, other data may be needed. We need this KL is given, so we may require the KBL to find out whether it is a instantaneous reaction, but it is a with slow CB or high CB that we have to find out. And to find out that one, we need to calculate the and these two things we have to calculate. Is it? So we need the KBL. So based on diffusivity and as per two film theory, KAL A we can put it divided by KBLA is equal to what? BAL BBL. So KBL you can easily get it from this one. So KBL A will be what? 0.03 into 0.64. And this will become roughly 0.0192 second inverse. Is it? So this way you can calculate the value. So mass transfer coefficient, gas film, it is given 6 into 10 to the power minus 4. Remember here, it is mentioned in the Pascal. So P should be also in the Pascal. So into 2000. Is it? So I think this will become 1.2. Write down the unit, mole per meter cube second. Is it? For this one, B value is the one. So this will become 0.0192 into CB. CB is what? 250. So this value will become 4.8 mole per meter cube second. So KBL ACB upon B is greater than. So which condition it is? If you recall this one, instantaneous reaction it is there, but with high CB or low CB. So this is the case for what? With high or low. Anyone can put it on chat box. High CB or low CB. High CB or low CB. Look at that. Where is the high CB, low CB? Yes, someone has put it. Very good. It is high CB. If you can recall this one, this yesterday I had mentioned it. So this is the case for high CB. Right? CB will be more than this KGPA. So this term will be, if CB term is greater than high CB. If CB term is less than low CB. So in that case, our rate expression will be what? Directly we can get it from the PA. Because of high CB, this will be 0 at the interface and this will be KGPA. So with ICB. So therefore, rate expression will be what? Remember, 4 prime is representing per unit volume. So it will be KAGA into EA. So we have already calculated. So it is 1.2 mole per meter cube second. Is it? Now, this is the part. Okay. So now rate controlling will be what our gas fill resistance will be controlling. Is it? Now, in this one, if there is no reaction, So instead of methanolamine, suppose there is a water only. So no reaction is there. So we can call it as a straight mass transfer. So in that case, rate expression will be what? 1 upon KAGA plus HA. Is it HA? Yes. AALA inverse into P. Is it? No. So for state mass transfer, so substitute the values. Is it? So do the calculation and this may reach to value 1 mole per meter cube per second. So how much is enhancement in the absorption rate? So if you say that ratio rate with reaction divided by rate without reaction, and this is equal to how much? 1.2 divided by 2. Sorry, 1. So enhancement factor will be what? Is it? So there is just 20% enhancement in the this particular, we can say that process. Okay. So another example, we can say that we'll go quickly for this. So reaction A, which is in the gas, A plus B, 2B it is okay, use R. Okay. With other parameters value, like K is equal to 10 to the power 6 meter 6 per mole square hour. Remember, rate constant. Other parameters like mass transfer, then liquid mass transfer, FL is fraction of liquid, HA is given as 10 to the power 5 Pascal meter cube per moles. So very low solubility. High value of HA, that means low solubility. A is equal to 20 meter square per meter cube. Diffusivity is and at a particular point, this PA is equal to 5 into 10 to the power 3 Pascal and CB is equal to 1 mole per. So this is the given data that we have to use it. What will be the MH value here? We have seen that mathematical expression for the second order reaction. That means first order with respect to A and first order with respect to CB. So as I explained earlier also, this can be written CA is equal to CB square and we can approximate this expression as KCB and then CA CB. Okay. So this way we can use our expression and this K, true K will be KCB. So first we'll find out the MH value because we have to know the reason, then only we can go for the enhancement factor and other parameters. First enhancement factor is needed. Is it overall a rate expression we want? If you recall this one, it will be plus. What are the other terms here? If you recall this equation, HA upon K CB FL. Is it? So here it will come CB square in this case. And this will be inverse and PA. So we have to know the other values are known. So important is E value first. So to know the E value, E is the function of ER and MH. So first we'll calculate the MH, then we'll go for the calculation of ER. Okay. So MH value, what will be the MH from the given data? DAKCB square, remember, and it will be the KA. So this will be what? dA is given as 10 to the power minus 6. K is given as 10 to the power 6. CB is given as how much it is? 1. And KAL. KL is given as KL is given as how much it is? 20 divided by 20 because value of KAL A is given. Be careful. So you will calculate this one. So how much it will come? Square root of 1. So this value will become what? MH is? Yes, it will be 1. So this will be 1. Now we have to go for the EI. EI is the enhancement factor at infinitely fast reaction. That we can say that dB CB, when CB is like HA B upon dA, and first is that PI. So where it will be maximum, first we have to go for the this maximum possible this PI. So maximum possible PI will be PA, is it? So we'll try for this one first. So 1 plus dB upon, where is that data? dB is what? dB and dBl is that, so it will be 10 to the power minus 6, CB is 1, HA is 10 to the power 5, P is 2, DA is also 1, and PAI, first guess we are taking that PI is equal to PA, and what is PA value is 5 into 10 to the power 3. So you can go for this will be the 1 plus. So this will be something wrong. Yes, it will be like this. So this value will be 5 to 10, 10 and means, so 1 plus how much it will come. Yes, anyone has calculated? It is
11 total value.
to the power 4, and yes, it will be 10 and this will become 11. Now MH is coming to be 1. So for MH is equal to 1, so EI, here you can see that also EI is greater than 5 times MH, and also MH value is the 1. So therefore E is approximating to MH, and that is equal to, or further you can get it this E as a, there is another more detailed equation, that is 1 minus MH minus 1 to EI plus. So if you solve this also, you will get the 1 value. Is it? So E we got the 1. So there is no enhancement 1. So rate expression or fire. What is our rate expression? Minus RA. One more time you can write this. I think we have already did it, is it? So we'll substitute the values directly. 1 upon KAGA. KAGA is 0.01. plus HA is 10 to the power 5 divided by KALA. It is given as 20 and enhancement factor is 1 plus HA is again 10 to the power 5. This is K is rate constant. K is given as 10 to the power 6. CB square is 1 into FL is given as 0.98. So inverse PA is given as 5 into 10 to the power 3. So from these you can see that this resistance RG is equal to what? It is 100. This will be RL is 5000. Then R reaction will be, or bulk liquid will be, how much it is? It is coming to be, I think, if I take it 1 as simply approximate it to 1, this will be 0. So major resistance will be in the liquid. So reaction zone will be so RA you can calculate. So 100 plus 5000 plus 0.1 inverse into 5 to 2 to the power 3, or directly this will become 5000 divided by 5100. So approximately this will be, again we can say that approximately it will come to 1 mole per hour and meter cube or meter cube hour. Is it? So major resistance is in here, where it is in the liquid film, very less 100, that means 100 divided by 5, that is just 2%. 2% resistance in the gas film. So major controlling will be the liquid film. So you can just try the other solved examples. For this one. And if you have anything to ask, you can ask me if you have any query. Otherwise, we stop here and we'll continue the next chapter, next class. Okay, if you don't have anything to ask, you may.